Did you know that boxing training can actually give you better skin? Here's the science behind the punch-perfect complexion. Meet Alex, a dedicated boxer who discovered an unexpected benefit while mastering explosive strength drills. During intensive plyometric training sessions, Alex's heart rate soars, pumping oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. Each explosive movement, from box jumps to medicine ball slams, triggers a surge of circulation that delivers vital nutrients directly to skin cells. The constant flow of fresh blood helps flush out toxins while feeding the skin's deeper layers with essential nutrients. Research shows that high-intensity training increases collagen production, helping maintain skin elasticity and youthful appearance. This natural approach to skin health offers an empowering alternative to expensive creams and treatments. As Alex's boxing skills improved, so did skin health, proving that powerful punches pack more than just a physical impact. Sometimes the best skincare routine doesn't come in a bottle. It comes in a pair of boxing gloves. Want to know more specific boxing drills for glowing skin? Drop a comment below.